Welcome to today's video. One unique aspect about UiPath is just how simple the user interface is to actually build automations. We've been able to prove this through a number of events that we're calling Academy Live. The way they work is business users are able to build their own robots through instructor-led sessions. The instructor will go through the steps of automating a typical automation, and the users on their own machines will click through and follow the exact same steps. It really gives the users confidence as to how simple the software is to use. But if it's really that simple, could it even be used by a child? To answer that, there's only one way to find out, and to do this, we need a volunteer.
My name's Alicia and I'm 7 years old.
Welcome, Alicia. Do you have any previous experience of any coding?
Only on Scratch and sometimes code.org at school.
Okay, that makes sense. Have you ever used UiPath before?
Nope.
And how are you feeling about using UiPath for the very first time?
Excited.
And every time you hit submit, so just click submit on the table, you'll see that things move around, right? And it's quite a typical challenge because what we want to do is you want to enter data from an Excel sheet into there. But the thing is that things are moving around.
The submit button moves.
Yeah, things move around, even the submit.
There. It's everywhere.
Okay, so if you click activities, which is just down here next to project, you'll see a list of activities. Okay, now these are all the different things you can do in UiPath that you can tell it to do, all right? Something that says click. Okay, what I want you to do is drag that into the do box. So can you see one called Excel Application Scope? Okay. All right, so what I want you to do is drag that in. Okay, so do you now have something that looks like that at the bottom? Submit. Wow, believe it or not, Alicia, you have actually finished. Okay, Alicia, why don't you press play on your first automation?
Okay. The robot that I did, it typed in the first name and last name from a spreadsheet.
Can you see it working?
Yeah.
Opening Excel. What do you think?
I think it's really good.
Okay, so Alicia, you've now used UiPath. How did you find it?
It wasn't very hard. It was actually kind of quite easy.
Did you enjoy the experience?
Yeah, it was really fun.
So there you saw UiPath being operated by a 7-year-old, and you could see with a little bit of guidance, she was able to use that and build her an automation and run it. So if you're interested in taking your first steps in UiPath, the community edition is free and it's available for download. And we've just released 2019.4, which is our first release for this year, the fast track release. So you can go online and download that now. Just to help you, I've put a link in the description below. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe below. See you soon.